Hey guys, Aiden the Engineer here. Sorry if it's been a while since I posted a video, but I'll make sure to keep up on that. And even though school just started 2 weeks ago just for me, my new schedule I'm trying to do this, every Friday and Saturday I'll try to post a new video. So, there's a few things that I want to tell you, and there's, today will be part 2 of the layout tour, so hope you guys enjoy the video. So the first news is my birthday is coming up on September 24th, so happy birthday to me, I guess. So hopefully I'll get something cool to show you guys off and to show you guys. But for now, birthday's coming up soon and I'm very happy for that. Also, channel might soon will reach 1 year. It's 1 year anniversary because I started, I think, in November, I'm pretty sure, but it's coming up to its 1 year anniversary, so I'll definitely do something for that in a few months that it's coming up in. So let's get started with the video. So as you can see, right now I got my Rapido F40 PH-2D Kool-Aid locomotive on there, and you usually see that usual track in my video running all the trains on right there. But I was thinking to expand the layout, just not to have a small little circle like that. So here it is, coming all the way around and connecting back into the oval. It is crazy that I did this. This was a very long time project that I wanted to do, but it's finally finished. It starts right over there where the GG1 is. It's coming around, just makes right at the Norfolk Southern CSX posters. So you go through this little like loading area. I call it Aiden's Worldwide Trucking because it's a little trucking area. You can put the trailers right on the flatbeds and everything. Right here is where the demonstration is, kind of. And also I just got that a few days ago. I just got the Penn Central boxcars. Unusually high. I've seen some of these look like this, but not many I've seen in HO scale, so I'm glad to have this on my layout. But here's the little yard that it comes into. And also I'm going to get track right here, because right here it's gonna come right into and connect right here for an even bigger oval. Well, not really an oval anymore, much bigger than that, but it goes right around a little ducking area, which I call it, and this is where I turn the power and everything. Goes all the way around right at the big yards and everything, so it comes around and connects to the oval. I've been thinking that since I'm not really going to use this anymore, well, I will, but not as much as I used to. I'll tune a curve. I'll try to find some stuff to make it look like that, but for now, just another piece of track. So yeah, and so again, remember, I guess you guys remember, hopefully, all my freight cars and junk is down here. This is really all my junk, but freight cars are down here, so when I need stuff I get it down here. Heater for when winter comes again. It's the box for the F40 PH-2D, the Kool-Aid locomotive. Just in case something happens to it, I have the receipt to send it back and hopefully get it fixed. And feels good to be back up here. It's been a while since I came down here, actually. But not much has exactly changed. That's all the same pretty much. Yeah, that's still there. Still got the little town. Here's my pairs of my favorite locomotives. These are my DCC locomotives, and that's my customly made MP15 Ace for the Long Island Railroad. Kool-Aid locomotive, Polar Express cars. Hopefully I'll get some Via Rail cars to match it. But for now, I don't have anything to match it with that. So, got the yards. I organized it. It used to be a little bunched up with passenger cars, but for now, it's nice and organized. Still got the stationery right here. Locomotives right here, I'll probably get those out the way soon, but for now they're staying right here, and so not much, but for me it was a big thing. It turned into just a little track right here going around to massive track going around the whole table. And the real plan was to to do this exact thing, because not all the time, not the whole time that I lived here was this piece of wood right here and everything. Here it used to be nothing right there, just a small little track, the oval track right here. And also, I was not sitting in the middle, and also, one more thing, these cinder blocks and everything, these were not here either, because it was just one cinder block holding it up, and I had to sit down right in the floor to play with the trains. But I was very excited to do this. This was really my dream, so I'm glad this happened. I'm very glad this happened. And so I know I usually record my videos from like right here, but I'll probably be having the trains go around right here, so I'll probably have the camera go right here or something, so hopefully I'll have a good view of the trains. And I'm just hoping that this shows me a lot of goodness, and I just can't wait to add more stuff to this, and just very happy that this happened. So sorry, it's been a long time since I made a video. Just school just started, so a lot of stuff has been going on and everything, so I'll hopefully catch up on that and make sure to add more videos to my page and everything, and upload more stuff. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please make sure to subscribe and like all my videos, and see you guys in the next vid. Bye.